Yes, old age, part of our life, it comes. Now better to look that part of our life, sooner or later it will come. Now important is while we're alive, our day-to-day life should be meaningful. Meaningful means, if possible, help other. If not, at least restrain harming other. That's a meaningful life. Okay. And then at the end come, you will not have any regret. I carry my life honestly, truthfully, more compassionately, and I done something good for others. Then at the end of come, you feel happy. Then according to religious tradition, if there is God, God will look after you. If no God, see, we are self creation, right? Because of the self creation. So you done meaningful life. So that's guarantee your next life will be happy, nice life. So that's the non-theistic religious tradition. There's no creator, but oneself as a creator. So goes one's own, like the later part of our life, much depends on early part of your life, study, and including sort of exercise. And then the result, good result come later part of your life. Similarly, this life, we carry meaningful life, helping other. This life we utilize for something good for other, more compassionate way. Then, you see, that's effect next life. So therefore, the death is something like change of clothes. Clothes become dirty, old. Then time comes to change. Similarly, this body become too old. Then time comes to change. Okay, so look death that way. Otherwise, you see, death is something mystery and dark. So you may get feeling of too much anxiety, fear like that. But if you know about the death, and I think either theistic religion believe God, or non-theistic religion believe yourself. You carry your life meaningful way, then there's a guarantee. So at the end, no regret. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.